making the training much more economically viable, financially lucrative activity for the trainer also. I'm sure this will happen with the compulsions of technology, with the constraints of technology prevailing in our country. Perhaps the Canada Solutions might not have ventured initially to increase the number of people who can accept, who can seek the training in a virtual classroom. So as a result of this kind of a mode of training and education, there's a great demand for skills in this country. There's a great gap there's a very wide gap in providing the skills in this country. There are very large scarcity of skilled manpower, trained personnel, and I'm sure this will even increase. This will even increase because across the borders you can offer training. Already this trend has come. There's teachers in mathematics training children in London today. And India being the land of knowledge, India being the land of enterprise, India being the land of knowledge and enterprise, I'm sure we will also be a hub for global training. We'll be a land of global training and global education. And this initiative will go a long way in propelling this kind of a trend. And I congratulate the GAN founder team and the GAN Solutions for coming out with this kind of a very innovative and socially useful model of communication, model of transmission of knowledge and model of transmission of education. I wish them all the best, and I hope large number of trainers and trainees would benefit from this kind of opportunity. I wish them all the best, and I thank you one and all for patient here. Thank you, friends.
Thank you, Professor K. Nageshwar Garu, for your enlightening speech. Now, I would like to give a brief introduction about Dr. Chukka Ramaya Garu. Dr. Chukka Ramaya Garu, formerly known as IIT Ramaya, is a renowned Indian educationalist and member of the Legislative Council of Andhra Pradesh. He was born in Guduru village, Warangal, Andhra Pradesh. He did his early education in his village and pursued his bachelor's in Osmania University and went on to do his MSc. He joined as a teacher in school at Jangaon as a mathematics teacher and also taught at various schools across the Telangana region before retiring as a principal of AP Residential School, Nagaland, Sagar, 1983. Post-retirement, he set up an IIT JEE coaching institute, Ramaya Institute, which was a significant contribution for over 1,000 students getting into IITs since its launch in 1985. He was instrumental in setting up Premier Institute for Technology, IIT at Basar. He authored over 16 books in Telugu, mainly focusing on education like Chinnapatham, Desa Desallo Vidya, and contributed a lot in the field of education. Now I request our guest, Dr. Chukka Ramaya Garu, to share a few words.
Mr. Sudhakar Reddy, colleague of mine, the organizers of this function, friends, there has been many innovations in 20th century. Science has penetrated in almost all the walks of life.